Hi, Future Sight here, and this episode is about learning to code. So now that we've covered why kids should learn coding, let's talk about what programming languages kids should learn. So we understand that the program platforms will change continuously, and so will the learning. So what are your thoughts on enabling kids to be comfortable with coding early in their learning? Chang, what do you think?
Well, as a parent, I'm interested because there's a lot of technology nowadays, and I really just feel more comfortable if my kids were comfortable with technology and how they learn that. And really, it's more about being familiar with it and having a good understanding, because that's the future path of the world, and not so much about having to force them into a computer career per se, but just being comfortable with technology in general.
And Jennifer, what programming languages would you recommend that Chang look at for his kids?
Oh, well, that's a good question. First of all, I want to say that it's really not about the language. It's actually about understanding the logic and the structure of programming languages is what we want kids to learn, because languages are going to continuously change, or technology is going to continuously change. But it's understanding how languages work and how we can problem solve with it. So the first language I would probably use, there's just so many languages and a lot of them can be complex. There's a really simple language called Scratch, created by MIT. And it's just very simple drag and drop menus. I would describe it as Lego blocks with instructions that kids as young as 4 and 5 can just snap together and try to figure out the logic of whatever they're trying to create, whether it be story or a game.
We have 6-year-old Hugo here programming in Scratch Junior. It's a very simple drag and drop programming language using symbols, and he's just putting all of the code in a certain order so that he can make a race game. So when you press the arrow button, it'll get his bracer to go. Well done, Hugo.
So it can be used as far as like in first year university. Some universities will start teaching Scratch at that age, so it can be so advanced because we can integrate that logic in complex ways using these simple blocks without the complexities of other programming languages might have.
Thanks very much, Chang and Jennifer. We'll talk to you again soon.